Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 47. Am I right? Am I keeping on time? Yeah. 3 days more to 50, right? Or 3 videos more to 50. And today we're going to be looking at key Python libraries. So before we go into the three key libraries, I'm going to explain what libraries are. Okay. So let's take a typical example, a typical library. Okay, library where there are books, right? When you go to the university, when you enter a library, I'm saying when you go to the university, when you enter a library, because I never entered a library till I went to the university. Oh no, yeah, till I went to high school, senior high school, and university. But I think some environments or some countries in a city there's a library, like you can go there by default. It's not about school. All right, so when you enter a library, let's get back. When you enter a library, you see that there are different aisles, right? Different sectors for different topics. So you have the economics topics, economics aisle. Where you go there, you just see books on economics. You can go somewhere, there are books on romance novels. You can go another aisle, is all about philosophy, books on philosophy. You can go on to another section, it's all about mathematics. You can go on to another section, it's all about statistics. You can go to another section, it's all about actuarial science, right? So every aisle and all that it takes. So let's take the whole library as Python, right? So Python is the whole building. And when you enter into Python, so let's assume that we are machines, right? When you enter into Python, there are different libraries that will help you understand different topics. And when you take data analytics and you enter Python, there are three keys that are key libraries or aisles that you are going to use. So note, the whole building of the library is Python, and then the aisle are libraries. Okay, so the key libraries that helps us data analysts to work in Python are Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Right, so when you actually go for an interview, or you say you know data analytics and you say, oh, I use Python, the next question is, what libraries do you use, right? Oh, I use Pandas, I use NumPy, I use Matplotlib. And even if you are optimizing your CV, your LinkedIn, sometimes when you put Python is vague. So you can put Python : Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, right? That shows that, oh, these are the libraries I know how to use in Python for data analysis or analytics, right? So now let's get to understand what each of the libraries are for, or like from the same example, the books that we can find under, or the resources that we can find under Python, under the library. So when you take Pandas, right? Pandas helps you actually load your data sets. So you may have a data set in Excel, right? You may have a data set in Excel. So you want to bring your Excel data set into your Python. Pandas will help you achieve that. It will also help you clean that data. So you want to clean your data. You don't want to do it in Excel. So you want to clean it. Or it's big in Excel. So you can't see top. So Pandas will help you do that. Then you also want to filter, just like Excel, like you filter, you want to see some of the rows, you don't want to see everything. You can use you can do that with your Pandas. You also want to transform your columns. Maybe you want to make a column not numbers but text. It helps you do that, and it also helps you perform analysis, right? You want to do, sorry about that. All right, so you actually use it to perform analysis. So you want to do exploratory data analysis, right? So it's going to help you achieve that. So we move on to the next thing, right? Which the next library is NumPy. And NumPy, number, Python. All right, so it helps you perform calculations and it helps you actually perform calculations on arrays of numbers, like sets of numbers, right? It also helps you perform calculation on large numerical data. Okay, so NumPy is more about numbers, like doing lots of calculations on numbers. And then Matplotlib helps you create visuals, so visualization, that is line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, and all that. So in all, Pandas, when you are dealing with Python as a data analyst, Pandas will help you load your data sets and clean your data sets. NumPy is going to help you actually do your numerical calculations, and Matplotlib will help you create your visuals. So in a nutshell, remember, you learn Excel and you use your Excel for your data and all those things to clean your data, and then you actually do some calculations in Excel and SQL, right? Then now you take the information into Power BI and create your visuals. So that means that all that these tools do, right? The three tools that we looked at can be done in Python. Do you understand? So these are the key Python libraries. There are many more, but these are the key ones as you start your journey. And thank you for learning with us today. I'm going to see you on the next video. We are learning, right? So this is Python. I hope it's making it easy for you not to think that it's difficult, right? Thank you so much for learning with us. I'm going to see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. And we see you all. We really, really appreciate the support. We appreciate that you are learning with us. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. We are hitting 1,000 subscribers. Tell a friend that if they want to learn data analytics, Data with Miss Mailiana is the short tutor, the best tutor. So see you on the next video. Bye for now.